Let's do a basic search in Scopus. Go to the library homepage and look for database. There are 2 links. Then go to S and Scopus. To search in Scopus, you enter terms in the search field. Let's do an all-field search for the words produced water. The number of hits will show at the upper left. Over 600,000. In order to narrow this down, let's try using quotes to make sure we only get results for the exact phrase. Without quotes, Scopus will search for the word produced and the word water in all searchable fields. And this time, let's just search the article title, abstract, and keywords. Still get over 7,000 results. So let's go to edit again. And this time, let's narrow it down further. We're going to add a field to search. And let's see how many publications on produced water there are from Oklahoma State University. Affiliation name allows us to enter Oklahoma State University and search. 10 results, much more manageable. The results page shows the title, authors, year, and source. The last column is your cited by, and that shows the number of citations for each reference. The larger the number, the more important the reference. Underneath each citation, you see that you can view the abstract by clicking on that option. Beside it is a button that says OSU Get Article. Selecting this will take you to a new window that shows the citation information and options to export to bibliographic software, including EndNote. If you select the citation option, the complete citation will be displayed, formatted to meet the selected style. A permanent link can also be copied to the clipboard and saved for future use. Under View It, a link is shown for the display of full text. Click on the box beside the Download Selected Articles, and a PDF copy will be displayed, which can be downloaded and saved by selecting the arrow in the upper right-hand corner. Enter the file name, and select Save. For more information, select Help and choose one of the many available tutorials.